Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link your bank account to Binance US. First, log in to your Binance US account. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section, which you'll find easily on your dashboard. From there, select USD to manage your US dollar funds. Next, choose the Deposit option and then select ETH as your preferred method for bank transfers. This sets the stage for securely connecting your financial institution. Now you'll need to add your payment method. Select Add a Payment Method and then specifically choose Bank Account ETH. Binance US uses Plaid, a secure third-party service, to connect with your bank. Follow the on-screen prompts from Plaid to securely link your bank account. It's crucial to carefully verify all your bank account details for accuracy before proceeding to the next step. This ensures a smooth and error-free connection. After linking, you might need to complete a micro-deposit verification. This involves small deposits from Binance US to your bank, which you then confirm. It's also important to understand the deposit limits. For example, many users have a daily limit of $5,000. Always ensure the name on your bank account exactly matches the name on your Binance US profile to avoid any potential issues or delays in your transactions. Consistency is key here. Finally, confirm that your newly linked bank account is fully ready for deposits within your Binance US wallet. Once confirmed, you can confidently initiate your first USD deposit to fund your account and begin trading. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.